Adventure number 2. I'm gonna go paddle around Cabbage Island. Not there, that's Oak, but right there, it's closer. Okay, let's go. Going by our first lobster buoys. Lobster buoys all over Lincoln Bay. Getting closer. Sometimes you get a string of lobster buoys in a row and you slalom. Hiya! 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 All right, almost there. No wave back. Keeping his eyes on the road. There you go, there's a wave. We got a wave, woo! We got a wave! Cabbage Island, a private island where they bring in charters to explore the island, and then they have a lobster bake. I have my camera down, you didn't see the cottages. That's okay. It'll be a lot easier coming back. We're at the southern end of Cabbage Island. We got all the places we're gonna go to later in the background. It's been a good paddle so far. I got the wind in my back on the way back. Let's go. I think that bird's laughing at me. It's not nice. Stop laughing at me, bird. Oh, it's a cool bird with his nest. Could be a baby. On top of that tree is this big old nest. Hope we can see that. Cabbage Island dock. There we go. To the green buoy, number 5. Green buoys mean something. I don't know what they mean. Woo! 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 Hiya! Oh yeah, a little bit. Sometimes catching boat waves helps pass the time. Keeps you on your toes. All right, should we sprint? Trust the dock. Just gotta jump in. Here. All right, here we go. Paddleboard adventures. Peace. The day continues. We're about to go get dinner by boat. Welcome to Captain Messner's boat. Brother George, man in the helm. Yeah.
First mate Robbie, how about our fenders real quick?
Okay, first mate Robbie gets the fenders.
Hey!
Ready to go to dinner?
So ready.
Oh, I can go to dinner right now. Move a lot faster with a motor. It's really crazy.
This is our boat, Robbie. This boat next to us is our boat builder. Boat building neighbor.
There's Cabbage Island from the boat perspective. What?
Yeah.
What did Andy say? We're talking buoys up in here.
Yeah, just you buoy. We haven't even
The
gotten
buoy
nautical.
scene is incredible.
We haven't even gotten nautical yet.
Emergency vehicles.
Can't
Can't open.
open the bridge.
That was a classy
What you doing? That's what you were doing.
No, I was checking to make sure we didn't hit the bridge. We'll have to do it on the way back.
We're gonna go back around now.
That's what I was asking you.
No, yeah, sorry. I panicked.
I took a video of us going under the bridge. I'm like, oh.
I panicked.
I think we're
Going up the gut.
going up the gut and around.
Going up the gut.
I know I can take the picture.
We haven't been up the gut.
This is not as much fun.
We haven't been up
I
the
know,
gut.
but like,
Green buoy. There's a green buoy.
yeah.
Number 3. What the hell does that mean?
That means if we were coming into the harbor, we would be taking that on our left side. Now that we only have the harbor, we're taking it on our right side.
Port.
And 3 is because it's close to the beginning of the channel. Because they start numbering at 1 at the beginning of the channel. On our left.
On the way out.
Yes. And babe, it's number 2, which means we're close to the mouth.
We're close to the mouth. Really gets well as like the sky slash
Gonna check out.
You were saying that, sorry.
goal is to be paddling there one of these days.
New spot.
New spot, new dock.
New dock.
Hey.
Maine experiences. Look at this. Look at this scene right here.
Gorgeous.
Here's dinner. This is like playing C, but that's what you do in Maine. You go playing ABC. Lee and I kayak here for dinner once.